let's check out a few more things that we got from them today. Let's see. This guy, Redbubble, likes to give away their own stickers, which is cool. And this has some pins in it. Let's check them out. Yeah, these are the large size pins. You can see there, that is a vibe knot named Galax. I would say that looks pretty good. The official DWBROODLE logo also looks great. And Melter Skelter vibe knot number 666. Okay. Oh, these are, this is the mouse pad. This might have two things in it. Yeah. Okay, sticker from Redbubble, packaging. Yeah, this is a, like a desk mat mouse pad, and then there's also a small mouse pad in here. We'll look at that in a second. Let's check out the desk pad. Beautiful. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I think that's going in my office for sure. It's got some creasage here. I'm hoping that'll kind of just go away from the packaging after it sits for a while. Very nice. Good quality. Feels just like any other desk pad I've had. Dig that. And normal sized mouse pad, DWBROODLE. Little off center, which could have been my doing. Doubtful because I'm a perfectionist, but yeah, that could have been me. Still looks pretty cool. I definitely like the desk mat better. And last package. Might be a few things in here. Let's see. All right. Yeah. This is a notepad with the DWBROODLE logo on it. Look, this looks amazing. So they definitely have, the yellows are coming out different on different products. Because these are the same yellow color code. And the crispness of the art can vary a little bit. I mean, this looks clean. Here. Not so much on the mouse pad. Well, yeah, this is cool. Just a regular little notepad. And we got another notepad here. Let's see. Oh yeah, flower fly notepad. Beautiful. This came out super clean. So the stickers, the notepads, the pins, yeah, they look really clean. I love this. Perfect gift for somebody. All right, cool.